Its ultra-light, super absorbent formula traps odors, and it does something no ordinary clay litter can do. Pretty Litter's color-changing crystals make it easy to monitor your cat's health, helping to avoid serious illness. She's switching to Pretty Litter. Smart move. Try Pretty Litter risk-free for 30 days. When you sign up, get free delivery. Go to prettylitter.com.
Each year, Americans waste $21 billion by overpaying on car insurance. That's why I went to thezebra.com. Because while every company claims to save you money on car insurance, the Zebra shows you who actually can. Compare car insurance for free at thezebra.com today.
We are thooty Co., and we deliver hands-on STEM projects designed to inspire young innovators. Kids volunteers can explore science, engineering, art, and more. Get 30% off. Visit trythootyco.com. Must be 18 or older to log on. Tuna casserole again? I'm broke.
What are you giving up to pay for car insurance? Save money with Good to Go. Get started with as little as $20 down, then pay monthly. Visit goodtogo.com and get a rate quote in under a minute. Then get cooking. That's goodtogo.com.
Kids can't sleep? Join the millions of grateful parents who use Moshi's audio stories to settle their kids into a blissful sleep. Sweet dreams are made of Moshi. Try Moshi now for free in the App Store. K-12's Destinations Career Academy, Taiwan, one of a growing number of high school students preparing for a great future. Destinations is tuition-free, online and in person, a place where I can get a traditional education with state-certified teachers and take electives to explore fields I'm interested in. With Destinations, I'm ready for college, career, or maybe a little bit of both. These schools may not be for everyone, but they're here for anyone. Anytime, any place. Education for anyone. Enroll today.
Started working with Policy Genius to figure out what plan would work for me, and if it was true that I was paying too much. I saved about 20%. Not only did I save 20%, but I got extra coverage. It just feels like I could take a deep breath and sleep well at night.
Ordering dinner for the family? Rewarded with free delivery and a side of quiet. Grubhub gives you rewards for rewarding yourself. Good food.
Very intriguing. It's okay. I was like, what's going on? 2 weeks. You were excited. Is he alright? I think he's out. Oh, yeah, you can outside. You can play California and everything. Okay, Toofy. Hey, Toofy.
It's a new production of
Okay.
Yay! Let's visit our friend
Very
Xylophone.
important. Bicycle. Okay, now?
Tea.
I think you need to get some rest because that cold.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're on our way to visit Xylophone.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!